Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
What is Adhan? Your options are Option A, call to prayer, or Option B, part of prayer. The right answer is Option A, call to prayer. Who was the first Muaddin of Islam? Your options are Option A, Bilal radiyallahu anhu, or Option B, Umar radiyallahu anhu. The right answer is Option A, Bilal radiyallahu anhu. In which language is the Adhan recited? Your options are Option A, English, or Option B, Arabic. The right answer is Option B, Arabic. What is the meaning of Sadiq? Your options are Option A, the blessed, or Option B, the truthful. The right answer is Option B, the truthful. The special black stone is set in the Kaaba called as. Your options are Option A, Kiswa, or Option B, Hajar al-Aswad. Right answer is Option B, Hajar al-Aswad. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Infitar? Your options are Option A, 28, or Option B, 19. The right answer is Option B, 19. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Mutaffifin? Your options are Option A, 36, or Option B, 32. The right answer is Option A, 36. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Inshiqaq? Your options are Option A, 38, or Option B, 25. The right answer is Option B, 25. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Buruj? Your options are Option A, 20, or Option B, 22. The right answer is option B, 22. How many ayats are there in Surah At-Tariq? Your options are option A, 17 or option B, 20. The right answer is option A, 17.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.